So basically, you're not going to get rigor without relationships, and you can't bloom until you're Maslow. That's what that's all about. And so we can pound content into kids, and test them all day long. But if we don't have that part met, or we're not working on that part first, we're less likely to have anything that's going to sustain itself. So what does that mean? Basically for you is that every single educator on the planet needs to know that being aware of those things that are difficult and validating the situation. Stop looking for normalcy. Stop trying to get kids to a place that's here, all right, or maybe normal. There were things we didn't like about school before the pandemic, and so why would we go back there? Just validate where you're at and be able to move on. I think for me, it's important not to pass judgment, like, oh my gosh, if this kid just didn't stay up all night playing video games, we wouldn't have any problems. But that's what that kid does. They stay up all night and play video games. So what's my role? You know what, I'm going to go in there and say, hey, this is going to be difficult for you because you don't get any sleep. But here's some skills that you can use to keep yourself alert. And that's what we have to teach kids. If you're going to make choices that are not good for you when it comes to the learning environment, then you're going to figure out how you need to be able to still sustain and have that stamina to be able to learn and to manage your own behavior. Because we know that people without sleep tend to have a short fuse. So you got to know that about yourself. Validate it, don't pass judgment, give them as many skills as you can.